Security policies control how Excalibur behaves, meaning what actions get blocked and what actions are allowed. Let's create a new sample policy. In this policy, we will go through all the factors that we can check. In Excalibur, security policies are tied to action, so let's select authentication as the action. Let's require the user to enter a PIN code, but also use the phone biometry, like for example the fingerprint. Let's require the user to be in a specific geofence, for example London. Let's require a specific day of week, specific time, and both the phone and computer must be online. Let's limit the login to only a certain group of computers and require manager confirmation. You can select different conditions for different actions, like for example authorization, verification, registration, or factor reset. All of them can have completely different conditions, like can be more strict or only allowed on specific geofences.